Welcome back to Shqipify. In this short video, I'm going to teach you about demonstratives in Albanian. Demonstratives are words that serve to mark the distance in relation to the speaker. For example, ky është Beni dhe kjo është Ava. This is Ben and this is Ava. Këta janë Aldo dhe Eva. These are Aldo and Eva. Këto janë Anila dhe Besa. These are Anila and Besa. So we have ky, kjo, këta, and këto. All of these are demonstrative words. In these examples, demonstratives are used as pronouns. They can also be used as demonstrative adjectives, in which case they would precede the noun. Thus, we would have ky burr është inxhinier. This man is an engineer. Or kjo grua është franceze. This woman is French. Or këta burra janë shqiptar. These men are Albanian. Or këto gra janë aktore. These women are actresses. The demonstrative pronouns and the demonstrative adjectives are exactly the same. The forms in the examples express closeness to the speaker. Then you should use the same forms that we use for third-person pronouns. For example, ai është Beni. He is Beni, or that is Beni. Ai është Beni. Ajo është Ana. She is Ana, or that is Ana. Ata janë Aldo dhe Eva. They are Aldo and Eva, or those are Aldo and Eva. Ato janë Anila dhe Besa. They are Anila and Besa, or those in the feminine are Anila and Besa. So instead of having this and then that to show distance, as we do in English, we have ky or kjo or këta and këto, depending on gender and number, but we don't have that and those. We only use the normal third-person pronouns. He, she, or they. As with the forms of ky, these forms can also be used as demonstrative adjectives. For example, ai burr është dentist. That man is a dentist. Ajo grua është suedeze. That woman is Swedish. Ata burra janë Gjerman. Those men are German. Ato gra janë mësuese. Those women are teachers. So to summarize, when you want to express closeness to the speaker, we have ky for singular masculine, kjo for singular feminine, këta for plural masculine, and këto for plural feminine. On the other hand, if you want to express distance in relation to the speaker, we have the same forms as the third-person pronouns, i.e., for that form in the singular masculine, ajo, the form for singular feminine, ata, for either exclusively masculine group or for a mixed group, and ato for exclusively feminine group. And that's all for this short introductory video on the demonstrative forms in Albanian. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos from Shqipify. And if you're serious about becoming fluent in Albanian in a shorter time in this New Year resolution, please don't hesitate to contact me at shqipify@gmail.com, which you can find in the description below. And I'll see you in our next video. Stay tuned!